Before installing any software, you should restart your computer with a minimum extension set. To do this, hold down the spacebar on your computer keyboard while you turn on your computer. Continue holding down the spacebar until you enter your Extensions Manager program. This example shows the Extensions Manager included with System 7.5. Select System 7.5 only from the pop-up menu, then click the Close box. If you're using a third-party Extensions Manager, configure it to load a minimum set of extensions. Once your computer has finished booting, insert diskette number 1 or the CD-ROM of your OMS-compatible application. Always read any README or help files included before installing any software. Double-click the installer application to install OMS and/or the OMS-compatible application. An installation startup screen appears. Click Continue. The installation dialog appears. This warning will initially appear if there is not enough disk space to install the software for easy install. To customize software installation, select Custom Install from this pop-up menu. A list of individually selectable software components is revealed. To select an alternate available hard disk destination, click Switch Disk or select the preferred destination from the Install Location pop-up menu, also allowing installation to a specific folder. The disk space requirements and actual disk space available on the selected hard disk appear in this area of the Install dialog. Click on a component's info button to display a brief description of its function. Click OK to close the description box. The OMS checkbox is selected to install as a package the Open Music System extension. Studio patches for owners of Opcode Studio 4 and Studio 5 MIDI interfaces. QuickTime Music OMS driver. OMS IAC driver. Serial switch required for use with Apple Macintosh models 2FX, Quadra 900, and Quadra 950. OMS Technical Publications, a collection of documents describing various features of OMS not covered in the OMS manual. And finally, OMS Movie Player is selected. Click Install. The installation progress bar appears during the installation process. If you are installing from a series of installation diskettes, you will be prompted to insert each disk in turn by name. Upon completion of the software installation, this dialog appears, indicating installation was successful. Click Restart to load the Open Music System extension, making OMS available for use.